Dating option not showing on Facebook app. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix dating option not showing on your Facebook. So all what you have to do is very simple and easy, so just keep watching until the end. First thing you want to do is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, go to the apps, and then go to Facebook. After you click on Facebook, now click here on this force stop and go down to the power usage details. Click again here on this force stop to stop the power analysis option from here, and then go to the power consumption alert, disable it and enable it. Go back and this time go to the home page, open the Play Store and then search for Facebook on it, and click here on update if you don't have the latest version, because sometimes it's just because you don't have latest up to date. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.